Hi, I'm Fred. I'm with the machine learning team here at Encord. A few months ago, we demonstrated how you can go about annotating multiple modalities all at once, like audio, documents, or videos, at the same time, side by side, within the platform. Now, with the new data agents, we wanted to demonstrate you how you can automate the extraction process and orchestrate the data lifecycle via what we call workflows within Encord. Now, data agents, they allow you to bring everything from simple scripts for routing to the latest AI advancements, automating everything you can to help your human workforce focus on what they are actually good at and where they are adding value. Data agents, they can be many things. You drag and drop one of these purple nodes, and then you can complete a lot of tasks with automation. Whether it's multimodal pre-labeling or video summarization, or maybe you are trying to do some sort of reasoning based on your data. It could also be more traditional things like object detection and tracking, semantic segmentation, OCR, and sentiment analysis. Or perhaps you just need to route your data to the right people at the right time. So in this case, we're thinking about language and which annotators speak what language. So imagine I want to build a video generative model specifically for music videos. In that case, I need to collect a lot of videos like these, small clips, and then I need to build a big data set of good summaries of what's going on in every one of these clips. Now, in order to do that, I have set up a workflow like this one. And this workflow helps me, 1, extract and curate detailed summaries of hundreds of thousands of clips, and 2, it helps me actually filter out data that is low quality. So what is actually happening here is that my data is going to flow in from the left. That's the videos. It's going to see a static captioning model that will look at every 20th frame in the video, and then it'll just produce a caption of that particular frame. And so if the caption is good, I'm going to send it to another agent node. If there's no real dynamic content, so if I realize that all the frames look the same, then I'm just going to archive it, because I don't want a music video with no sort of dynamics to it. So I have the captions on every 20 frames. It looks roughly like this. So here you can see one example. I have this music video, this guy sitting in a park on a bench. And I can see for the first frame, it has a caption. I've captioned after 20 frames, captioned after 40 frames. So coming back to the workflow, that's what's happening in this first node. Now, if it is dynamic content, then it's gonna go over here to this static captions to video summary model. And that's another LLM in this case, where we're gonna take all these captions and compose a dynamic summary of what's going on in the video. And then eventually we will send it to review for a human. So the only thing the human needs to do here is actually look at the video, what's going on, and then make sure that the caption is corresponding to the video. If that's the case, we can accept. If it's not the case, we can reject really quickly. And so coming back here, when we reject, we're just gonna archive, because we have many videos. We're just looking for the ones with the good summaries. And then eventually we will store the stuff on disk. So here we are looking at a CSV file where we've downloaded the videos, we've stored them locally for efficient training. Maybe if we don't have space enough, we can also store the URL such that we can prefetch things along the way. So this is one example of how you can use these data agents to bootstrap your data problems in a way where you make humans do only the relevant part, which is ensuring that everything is correct, and not have to type out where you are sort of dependent on the words per minute you can type, but you can get much more through here much faster.